Better. Ricky, how do they say it? Do it. At the SAG Accords or Golden Globe Awards, they sit us in the rear. If a movie's wine, the stage champagne divine, well, I guess that makes us beer. For a Broadway show, folks spend lots of dough, yet we give it away for free. You're a duck, not a swan, when they say that you're on TV. Carol Lombard was hot, Carol Channing not, but the Carol I want's Burnett. Angelina's quite the girl, but Milton Berle, now that's a dame you won't forget. Maine had seal before a home-cooked meal. Opie, stick with old Aunt Bee, for the feeling of home never roam from your own TV. Tonight is a party for CrossFit and Marty. It's fine if you crash. We've got ER and MASH. We've got Rickles, the relic, the mustache of Selleck, 2 men and a half. Always good for a laugh. Oh, I get hot and gooey for Mr. Louie. I'm feeling a movement for good home improvement. Not standing big sections, suburban romance. Ooh. You do with his hand down his pants. Yeah, Broadway run can be lots of fun till the critics decide.